Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing 22 from the Soul movie. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, and something to draw with. I'm using a black marker, but you can change it for pencil. Let's start on the top of the paper and in the middle. We're gonna do first the eyes. For that, I'm doing two big circles. And we're gonna leave a space in between them. Now we're gonna do an oval shape that is on the top left of each circle. And now we're gonna do another circle in the center underneath these oval shapes. And we're not gonna color these ones now, we're gonna color later, okay? Now I'm gonna do an upside down letter U that goes from here to here and to here. So I'm going to start on the right side of the circle, going to the left. And it's going to look like this. It has a space in between the circle and the shape. Now let's do it again. And a U, upside down letter U, and it goes like this. And I'm passing my marker twice so the line goes a little thicker. Now the eyebrows, let's start with a little line. And after that, we're going to go down with a curve. And we're going to go back up to close it. Let's do it again. A little line. Now curve down and close it. There. Now I'm gonna continue with the mouth, and the mouth is open and it's really wide and it goes up and down. So let's start with a little line, then we go up, and then we start going back down, and another little line. Now I'm gonna go in a little in this line. And I'm going to do a U shape down. So it's going to look like this. And we're going to put a big tooth that he has on the front. And this one looks like a rectangle. And a tongue that is just half a circle on the bottom. Perfect. Now, let's continue with the head. And the head is kind of like a drop shape. And it's pointy right here. So we're going to do a line. We're going to imagine a line across here on the eyes, up here. And now we're going to put a little dot for reference here. And I'm going to go for this dot down with a curve. And now down with a curve to the right side. And it just looks like this. It's like a triangle, okay? And now let's go down from here. We're going to curve down around the eyes and the mouth. And we're going to do the same thing in the right side. We're going to go around the eyebrows, the eye, and the mouth. There. Okay, now for the body, I'm going to do first a little line. So let's do a little line here and I'm going to curve back up. So first the line, let's go there. And I'm going to extend this line a little tiny bit right here and right here. And now we're going to connect these two. So we're going to go down and we're going to curve back up, but we're not going to close it. We're going to stop right here so we can fit one of his hands. So let's do kind of like a C shape or like a U shape. So it's kind of like sideways. Close this. And now I'm doing a backwards letter C. Okay, so next to the first hand, I'm doing a backwards letter C, and I'm continuing a little bit more the line right here. And there, that's it. We've finished. I hope this lesson was easy for you. I really like this movie. I hope you enjoy it too. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.